Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix if you're having trouble loading Marketplace. Please force or start app issue should resolve Roblox. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, this tutorial will only work for Windows user, okay? If you're using your Mac or your Android and iOS, just go ahead and comment down below so that I can create or make another tutorial for you guys, okay? So now if you're using your Windows, just go ahead and press Control, Shift, and Escape at the same time. And this should pop up, okay? The Task Manager tab. So now under the background processes, you need to find the Roblox. So I don't have Roblox installed on my device right now because I just deleted it. So if you found the Roblox under the processes, what you need to do is to just go ahead and right click on that and click on end task. Okay. So once you've clicked on the end task, what you need to do is to just go ahead and relaunch your Roblox. Okay. And that should help you with your problem. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.